having a boyfriend ewuthisha on Valentine's Day omunye bazomthekela e-stadium wona bakuthengele nje ichocolate. Having a boyfriend that ends u-2000. I fell in love with somebody who doesn't even know my name or that. Love. Here's $10. Ngenhliziyo inhliziyo ibekele uthathe amaqakala and get into a relationship with them. Kahle kahle ngazini vele ngothanda. Happy 2026 and welcome back to Living Between the Lines series. I am Nosihle Mngomezulu, but I prefer being called Nosihle M. And today on Living Between the Lines, we are talking about why relationships feels like a scam. They feel like a maze, they feel like a full-time job. Kahle kahle ngani siniswa umjolo kangaka. Awungisi mina, but i-experience yenu guys igcine siyi-experience yami because mina nani we are one. So what I did, I asked a few people ukuba bashare ama-opinions abo ukuthi why do they feel like relationships are a full-time job, are a scam. And to be honest, they are. Angazi, but they are, man. They are. Like, why? Because tell me why I was single the whole year. Not this year. Okay, it's still January. Let me know. It's still January. Okay. So I asked a few people, and also if you do have something that you want to share too, please do share on the comment section. Oguba, why do you feel like relationships are a full-time job, are a scam? So the first person that I asked, I made a screenshot so that I can be able to read. Why do relationships sometimes feel like a maze, a scam, or even a full-time job? Utilona, I don't know, but when it comes to relationship, I will say whenever ungena good relationship. Uthi shi inhliziyo ngaphandle ungene ngamaqa. So what happened is ungangeni ngenhliziyo inhliziyo ibekele uthathe amaqakala and get into a relationship with them because amaqakala aqinile kanti inhliziyo kulula ukuthi migrate and inhliziyo yabo ulokhu uneje isikhathi eside kanti amaqakala akhona ubhandisha and move on with impilo yakho. And then this one says, actually, I don't know. Yo Nosihle, what I can say is that different people have different expectations from a relationship. That leads to a confusion and navigating challenges. Ogunye, there are challenges on maintaining open and honest communication. But acknowledging the issues and working together can build a stronger connection. Yo, anazi noma ndithini. But in terms of expectations, I feel like we get into a relationship singawadiscussanga ama expectations ukuthi okay, I expect 1 or 2 or 3, and then the other person also asho iphathi yakhe so that we can meet in a common ground. And also another thing ukuba umention indaba yama challenges ukuthi asikhulumi ukuthi na inkinga phela sengibhekene nayo. In this relationship, I don't like 1 or 2 or 3. Umuntu ends up efela ngaphakathi while a relationship iqhubeka, and then bese kwenzakalani?
Ungasikhuluma isingisi.
Isingisi siyalahleka, but eventually that person breaks down kumosheke relationship. Imoto ilokhu reporter ukuthi hi man, there's a certain damage in this car. Wena ulokhu ushayelile uignore, eventually imoto izovele ikulaqaze le ku N2 la kungasana lutho engakusiza khona. Uyayibona le nto leyo. So it's very important ukuthi udiscuss ama challenges owabonayo and also the challenges. I think also personal challenges. Uyayibona le nto leyo awakho wedwa eceleni, because I feel like when you get into a relationship angeke nje ngastruggleisha while you are there. Does that make sense? Like, I'm going on my own personal stuff and I'm going through it alone. Thola ukuthi ngifeli exam and I can't even share that with you. But then at the same time you expect me to be happy. Ish. Angazi, I'm not a relationship expert. On our next episode, sizoyibiza. Uthi lona, I am not sure, but I think we enter into relationships singakhulile as individuals. Singena with our issues and iqiniso asinalo. I believe love is a beautiful thing if nobabili ni on the same wavelength. I-wavelength ke eyele yabafundile. Ngiyadlala guys. But uqinisile ukuthi most of the time asikhuli personally uwedwa eceleni before you get into a relationship. Because another thing is kenzeka I've seen people starting dating in high school. I don't believe ukuthi usukhulile as wena as uNosihle personal, and then after that you just continue dating and dating and dating, but is self growth yenzeka ngasiphi isikhathi uma ubusy ukhula noSibu angazi. But the most important part is that I believe love is a beautiful thing. Nami guys, I believe in love.
Oh my God!
Lona, relationships can feel like a maze, a scam, or a full-time job due to the fact that there's miscommunication, unrealistic expectations, and personal struggles, unmet needs, lack of mutual understanding, or a disconnect in priorities and values. I feel like my expectations are available, and this time around, this person mentioned unrealistic expectations. And my unrealistic expectations, I feel like example enginayo in my head is having a boyfriend that ends with 2000 and expect girlfriend allowance. Having a boyfriend teacher. I'm kidding, I'm a teacher too, I don't crash up and expect I'm a flowers and name ba I'm a flowers and name mile. It just doesn't make sense. I'm playing about teachers. I'm a teacher too. Unemployed, but it's fine. So awukwazi ngempela ukuthi unga-expecta ukuthi uMabura akulande ngemoto kodwa uMabura ugibela i-taxi. Yabo uMabura usazama impilo. So yeka ama-unrealistic expectations. I feel like ama-unrealistic ahamba nama-standards. Wena, you want someone who drives a Raptor, but you end up dating someone who doesn't even have a car. And then now you want the same person without a Raptor to treat you like he drives a Raptor. And then get ukungaxoxisani in relationships. Le miscommunication, I feel like even in talking stage, kukhona lezinto that we miscommunicate umuntu azenza umuntu angayena for the sake yokuthi i-relationship iqale, or for the sake yokuthi I'm already in love with uSibu and I'm willing to overlook the red flags. Okay, my sister, esibhedlela bazovuza. Because wena unjani unenhliziyo uthe lo yayangena ngenhliziyo eyidwala, and also unmet needs, lack of mutual understanding, and disconnects in priorities and values. And then this one ngimbuzile and said that nowadays there's no true love. Oh my friend, dear sister, I hope you find love someday, and I hope you believe in love. And then utilona, it feels like a full-time job if it's a one-sided thing. Vele you will get tired if it's one-sided. Yeah, I've been in something like that. It was a talking stage. I felt like I'm busy. I'm the one who's busy texting, and the guy is just responding. And then eventually when I stopped being the one who initiate the relationship or the talking stages, ended just like that. So sometimes kungcono man ukuthi hey inkinga awumbona umuntu ezokuscama, awumbona umuntu ohamba ngeqini approach ukuthi yabo ke lo uzongigila igoda. But it's fine. Uthi Ilona, it's because we have no idea of what we are doing most of the time. This is true. What are we even doing in relationships? Kahle kahle ngazini vele ngothando. Okay, ngamcela ukuthi elaborate uthi on my end I realized I know how to love someone genuinely, but I don't know how to receive love. I don't even know how to act when I'm being treated right. that I self-sabotage. This person has done so much self-introspection. Yes, sometimes Giona, the other person, it's you. Yabona umuntu mekudampa it's not me, it's not you, it's me. Uqinisile mkhulu. Because yazi ezinye izinto we're not used in receiving love. And I'm gonna make an example with me, because it's why I have daddy issues. I've never had a father figure in my life, so I might not be able to receive a love from an opposite sex because angikwazi vele lokho. And I'm not saying abantu besilisa abakhona empilweni yami they are not showing love, but it's not the same. I just know my uncles love me, but have bake baba affectionate or something. No, I just know what, oh, I have my uncle and he loves me and it's fine. It ends there. But ngake ngakhonjiswa yini? No. So ngigcine ugcina usudavaza nje in relationships. And khona this thing of saying if you've never received uthando of a male figure in your life, you end up going around trying to find it in relationships. We guys, in therapy siyayidinga. Hey, ngathi angihleki wena. Okay, uthi lona, cause most of you don't know how to love, nithanda ngama-trend. Mina ngibona iy'mama, wena ubona uMahlalela. Kodwa-ke ngempela nawe sibu, hawu, ufunani in a relationship? You're not working, I'm not working, I'm broke, you broke. Kahle kahle nje sobabili siyashizila. Instead of ngabe mina nawe sihlanganisa business ideas, something wena ay cha khona ke nje against. And then le eyama trend iqiniso, because ubona some content creators, couples, they post that nice together, and deep down you want to experience that. Iqiniso lihle ukuthi I also I fell in love with somebody who doesn't even know my name or that. I want that. I want, it's you, me. Iqiniso, I want that too. But now if the other person engafili kanjalo-ke, I'm gonna feel like akangithandi, or this person is not putting an effort ekungithandeni. Kanti maybe the other person is just not interested in trends. And also you see your friend, but my love, here's $10. Go buy pancakes. I want that, but I want more. Okay, ama-trend ayasibulala baqinisile. On Valentine's Day omunye bazomthengela i-stadium, onaye bakuthengele nje ichocolate. In my opinion, the reason it feels like that, first I can say it because of mental health. Wazi wayithinta i-topic engathintathintwa when it comes to relationship. People are battling with a lot of things that they can't easily share. That's lack of emotional intelligence. Maybe because of where you come from and where you want to be in life. Most people enter a relationship with their own fantasies without time and getting to that person even more better. I think getting to know that person. So you get a new challenge while inside the relationship. Then they be like, this is not what I signed up for. So that would lead up to one-sided effort. One person believed this will work, then the other one or the other side has lost hope. So it drains one person, then affect the whole thing. This goes to into yokuthi yenza a self-introspection, but zibuke wena ngaphakathi, you get that. And then ebese mhlampe you sit down with yourself, because I'm someone who's battling with mental health, so I do understand the depth of this topic, and kubalulekile to actually engage in this topic yokuthi okay, This is what the man. You get that, so that we both understand. Because sonke iqiniso lithi khona into esistrugglisa nayo emotionally, and ngalesikhathi getting to a new relationship and not getting a support ethile. Kuyalimaza, because now imagine crying ubusuku bonke but you have a boyfriend. Like life is not good. I finally saw, hey babe, yek emntase yek. Yo into yenza lokho at times ukuthi omunye athande omunye ngokwedlulele. Hey, it happened, oh, it happened, oh. Thola ukuthi wena usumthanda kakhulu kanti yena nje usase ku level 1. Oyedwa ugcine sebona ngazuthi uyena owenza konke without the other person reciprocating. Singisi izenzo. Okunye ungena kwi-relationship while une-doubt ngayo, ungazi ukuthi where do you stand nomuntu wakho. Ungena kwinto e-unclear, mfethu kuyadraina, kuba ngazathi umsebenzi njalo njalo. Okunye amanga, uxoki, uqololo. Hayi kube se-emotional. Uvele uguduze entweni engacacile, uhlale in the name of love. Uthi ngingakuchazela kuze kushone ilanga, I will find this person simbiza azosichazela. But it makes sense, man, ukuthi uthanda omunye umuntu more than they love you. And I'm gonna speak on behalf of ladies because I'm a lady. Uyak-approach umabura, and then you end up loving umabura more than he loves you. Okanye umabura uyak-approach kanti umabura, guys, there's these things, there are situationships, there are it's called friends with benefits, kuningi out there. And kungenzeka ukuthi umuntu is looking for a situationship and you're looking for a relationship. So kubalekile, kahle kahle kubalekile ukuthi umuntu vele umbuze ukuthi are you looking for a partner or you looking for umuntu, uhlukanise so that you get to know. And if ukuthi into ayishoyo akuyona into oyifunayo, don't settle because uzozisola. Uzozisola. Aningifake studio phela, guys. This year we're making money in any way. Uzozisola. Okay, my phone is doing its own things. Then the last one is because it involves emotions and hope. Yabona nje ukuthemba umuntu nje. Uma umabona decide ukumthemba. Uma kusine and you decide to trust usine. Yabona ukuthi kahle kahle nje it's a gamble. Or decide to gamble nje ukuthi you win and you lose. But the problem is what happens when you keep on losing and losing and losing and losing. So that's what people have been saying. Please share your own on the comment section down below. And for me, my own opinion, why do relationship feels like a full-time job or a scam? Guys. That's my response. Ngizizwa ngiphelela ngamandla. Yabona ngisho unganayo isitori esidabukisayo when it comes to relationships. Nje ibhizi nje ongazi nokuthi how can you even unpack that? And there are people who call themselves relationship experts, advisors. I think I want to sit down with those people. Bake bangichazele kahle ukuthi why bengama-expert in relationships? Why bengama-advisor in relationships? Why? But again, I hope you guys enjoyed this series. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I am going to see you guys in the next episode. Bye.